Hello, I'm Andrea, a doctor of physical therapy. Today I'm here to help you use the Pelegon sliding and swiveling bench. Before we begin, confirm with your healthcare provider to ensure this product meets your specific needs. The following guidelines are not a substitute for medical advice. A sliding and swiveling bench can make it easier for you and your caregiver to shower in the bathtub, especially if you have balance or weakness issues. When you're ready to use your sliding and swiveling bench, you may need to adjust the legs to match the height of your bathtub. Ensure that both sides of the bench are even, preventing any tilts. If your bathtub floor is raised, you might need to shorten the inner legs. Before sitting down in the chair, make sure the back of your legs are touching the chair and your assistive device is in a nearby position. Next, slowly lower your body into a sitting position. You can use the armrest or your caregiver to help you. For extra support and safety, it's recommended to adjust the belt and secure it as so. Once secured, you can pull the clip located on the side of the chair and rotate your chair to enter the bathtub. Lift your legs accordingly into the bathtub. If difficult, your caregiver can help you with this step. To slide on the bench, you and your caregiver can press this button and push your chair to help you slide into the best position. You will hear a snap when the chair is locked in place. Once in the shower, you can hold onto the handlebars for stability. Once finished with the shower, you and your caregiver can slide the bench back to the starting position with the button and slide the chair back. You can then use the clip to rotate the chair back to the starting position. If you need assistance in how to assemble, please check out the video for clear, easy instructions at pelegon.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care and thank you for your time.